So I'm gonna switch the language from Hindi to English for this video only, but only coding stuffs would be in English, because if someone is able to understand computer language, then I'm sure you could understand English too. Other than coding stuffs, all will be in Hindi because I want to connect with core people. Also, Hindi is more fun than English. Like, Hindi words are more fun. For example, what you say unemployment in Hindi, berozgari. Shit, that was a bad example, but let's ignore that. All I want to say is Hindi is more fun. One day I will make a video in Bhojpuri. And I don't have that attitude, like if you are living in India, then only you should speak Hindi. You should be proud of speaking Hindi. That's not my attitude. Hindi is just a language, and for me, language is just a mode of communication. Whether you speak Hindi, English, German, doesn't matter. If you are using a bad word in Hindi, that's not the pride of language. So that was enough for language knowledge. Now let's start with the video. I always wanted to move things on my finger. For example, turning the lights on like this and using computer like this. So in this video, we're gonna use the computer like this only. We're gonna use our fingers to move the computer cursor. Let's see how we can do it. So right now I am on my computer screen, and as you can see, I am not using keyboard or mouse pad. So now let's use this computer with the help of our fingers. As you can see, I am increasing and decreasing the volume with the help of my fingers. Not only this, we can use it in many other ways, like for example, right now I am moving the cursor with the help of my index finger, and I can click something with my middle finger. So let's close this program with the help of middle finger. Here we go. And I can pause the video with the help of my middle finger. So now let's understand the main algorithm. So basically we have 4 modules. One is volume control and the other one is AI mouse, and these 2 modules are based on tracking module and main module. Main module and tracking module have main algorithms, and the main algorithm is very simple. We are capturing the video and detecting our fingers, and based on the distance between the 2 fingers we are deciding what to do. For example, controlling the volume or moving the mouse cursor. So in volume control we are detecting the distance between the thumb and the index finger. As you can see, I'm controlling the volume with my thumb and index finger. And in AI mouse we are detecting the distance between the middle finger and the index finger, and based on that distance we are deciding whether to click or not, or whether to move the cursor or not. As you can see, right now I am moving the cursor with the help of my index finger, and to click something I just need to raise my middle finger. So let's try this also. I am going to minimize this screen with the help of my middle finger, as you can see, and this screen also. Now let's again maximize this screen. That's it. That was the main algorithm. You can download the code from our website, but understanding algorithm is more important. I always say this line: understanding algorithm is more important than coding. If you are able to understand the algorithm, you can code anything in the world. That's it for this video. If you wanna try out this program, you can visit our website javedthings.com. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will be doing more such great things in upcoming videos.